Okay, it's Tuesday. It's been a week since I've been in these hives. And truth is, I've already been in the last room hive. Good news, I saw a lot of larvae. So things are looking good. They're building a lot of comb. The camera needed charging, so I waited a little. I put it on before I came out. We'll get this one documented. Okay, so let's head on in. See what we got. Yeah, it was the first hive was just excellent, excellent. Very clear, very white, milky. Pretty much textbook-looking larvae. Saw a couple of eggs. I was using a magnifying glass, but with my old eyes, it's kind of tough. I got a beetle in there. I think he just got there by accident. Okay, we got a lot more nectar, syrup going. They're foraging. I've been watching them every day. It's kind of cool in the afternoon. It's like the commute home from work. They just all come buzzing in. They hover around the entrance and then in they go. So, let's have a look. Hopefully we'll be able to hold the frames there. That beetle just took a walk. Yeah. You girls wanna, where would you like to be to be comfortable? I'm gonna put you on edge so you'll be all safe. Yeah, I couldn't be any more pleased with what I saw in the first hive. It was excellent. Okay, here we go. Look at all those bees. Yes, sirree. Look at that. You see all that? Hi, girls. Say good morning. You're on camera again. Yeah, if we see what we saw in the now, they're not. This hive doesn't seem to be hitting the pollen patties quite so hard. However, they are, in fact, feeding on them. I'm still a little clumsy. I'm going to try to be a little better. I am paying attention to starting from one side. So that's good. That comb that I talked about that was built up around the queen cage, although pretty and really cool and everything, it's not something we want. It's called burr comb. There's a little bit right there. It makes a mess. So you're supposed to take it out. And that's no big, that's actually kind of a cool thing because you got some beeswax already, you know? So that'd be alright. Alright, we're going to start with there's the one I squished last time. Here we go. Now we shouldn't see much out here. That's the way it is. They haven't, see, they're just getting going, but they're already working their way out. I'm liking that. Have a lot, oh, you can feel the weight when it's got comb on it. See, this side is, they're not getting going yet, but watch when I flip this over. I hope you'll be able to see it. You see all that comb? See how clear and pure white it is? It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. That if you can see that yellow, that's pollen in there. I'm not seeing the queen herself. I'm going to peek with a magnifying glass and see if I can see some eggs in this comb. Everything is crystal clear, really beautiful, white. That's a very good deal. That's what we want. Okay, we haven't seen anything yet. She just may not have made her way out there yet. Going very gentle. I need my right hand. You're getting a little busy. Getting a little more smoke. Struggling with the smoker today. I'm going to worry about too much. All I'm doing is if I see my lobby again, everything else looks so good, I'm just going to close them back up. Alright, I don't see any larvae yet. Yeah, I don't know. Not seeing any yet. That other hive was just full of them. I hope we don't have an issue here. Oh, there's lobby. I got some. There's some right here in the center. Flip it over, we'll probably see some more. Probably, oh, look, they're capping here. Yeah. And yeah, there's larvae. You can see the caps through here. When they move out of the way, yeah, I can see plenty of larvae on what they're capping. Larvae. Okay. Still looking for Her Royal Highness, but she's here and laying. We have baby bees coming along. Those eggs would have been laid by what I've studied. That they're going to be. Those are going to be. I'm seeing eggs now too. You got. It's like anything else, like hunting or anything else. You got to train your eyes. But it looks like we have a healthy hive here, just like the other one. Okay. I'm seeing more larvae. I don't see a queen. We don't need this hive too. Okay, there's lots of larvae here. Again, see them? They're getting capped off. I don't see Her Majesty herself, but I can see her handiwork. And everyone says that that's okay to go that route. So as you can see, I ran out of smoke and I really haven't given them much. It doesn't take a whole lot, I guess. We're moving out and things are getting quieter again. There's not as much activity here. You can see the pollen in there. And there are some larvae out here. Huh. I'm excited to see that. Now see, here's brand new comb being built. They all say the same thing, that queen can be just so hard to find. So, just looks for signs of her working, that she's okay. And we've got larvae, which means that was 3 days ago. I'm sure I saw an egg. So, A lot of comb being built. Let's see how nice and clear and crystal clear that is. Very healthy looking. And then boom, back to nothing because it's the other outside frame. Okay, so I'm seeing larvae. That was, and I'm pretty sure I saw an egg. It's kind of hard for me with my old eyes. With that magnifying glass, I just really seem to get a lot of glare. But there's a lot of skill development here. Well, we've seen a lot of larvae, both hives. They're capping them off. So, I'm very happy about that. We didn't bang any frames. We were gentle. So as far as the things that can go wrong with your pests, of course the pests, for the most part, you see them. It doesn't, I'm going to use the magnifying glass. Well, they definitely don't have any mites on them yet. That's fine. We didn't see any hive beetles, wax wormies, any indication of any kind of brood, foul brood issues. So, I'm going to call this inspection done and successful. And gently poke the cover. I'm a forgetful guy. Alright, they say if you slide it on, they'll get out of the way. Let's try it. You can see what they're doing back there. Oh, they're definitely not out of the way. Well, yeah, I guess it works. Okay, then, oh, son of a gun. Let's give them those pollen pets. They're foraging heavy. I watch them every day. I can see them in they're on the creeping Jenny. They seem to like that an awful lot. But they've been eating this, so let's give it to them. Everything's going well. Just the way we're rolling, so. The works don't fix it, right? My story, I'm sticking to it. There's just so many of these lovely little ladies that you're going to really be careful. I'm going to make my move right now. I think they're safe enough. Let's close her up. Well, I'm going to celebrate what we've seen today by sending the fellow I got these bees from, I'm going to send him an email. Let him know that 12 days in, we're underway. We're making bees. So we're making bees. We got a nice, clean, healthy looking hive. I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am about all of this. This is really good. So at the second close of the second week's inspection, so far so good. Bye.